Yo, what is up everybody? Are you guys getting this error where it says I can't like videos on TikTok? Well, in this video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how you guys can fix this. So basically, if you guys can't like videos on TikTok, follow these steps. So first, before I start this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow. And you guys can also get notified once our new video releases, and watch this video until the end on how you guys can fix this problem, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, this problem occurs if you like a lot of TikTok videos within a short period of time. So if I go like go, I just just scroll so fast liking every single video, what TikTok algorithm will think is like I'm doing some kind of like sketchy stuff, so I'm doing inhuman kind of stuff. So TikTok algorithm will think I'm a bot who's spamming like on every single post, trying to increase the like of the post, and they'll just like temporarily disable my liking feature. I can still watch the video, but I can't like, because TikTok is thinking I'm liking a lot of videos at once, and it's thinking I'm a bot, so they're disabling it. So that's basically it. Like, just wait for like 1 hour at the most, and if you do this activity frequently, then like the disabling time will increase. Like today it's gonna be for 10 minutes. If I do it again, it's gonna be 20. If I do it again, it's gonna be 1 hour, like that. So just keep that in mind. It'll increase the more you do it. So like, don't try to do it frequently. Okay, you can just basically like a video like this, scroll, watch the video for some time, like the video, like, and then like it. Like, you can like videos within 10 seconds interval. Okay, you don't have to like video like very fast every second. Okay, so try to lower the like rate. Like, don't try to like 100 videos within a minute. Okay, your account might also get banned if you do this for a long time. So yeah, that's basically what this error is for. Like, TikTok algorithm thinks you're a bot because you're liking a lot of videos. So try to minimize it, and yeah, wait for 1 or 2 hours, and you should be able to like videos again. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. Comment down below what type of video we should make next, and if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.